In today's video, we will be testing the durability of the floor liners from our previous videos. The materials are our very own TPE material, the hybrid composite TPE, the generic rubber brand, and plastic. Here are the tools we will be using. A screwdriver, a pocket knife, scissors, pliers, and a butane torch. First up is a rubber material. The screwdriver punctured into the rubber very easily. While the pliers did seem to mold the mat, it didn't do much to it. The scissors and pocket knife did cut through with ease. The butane torch did burn the rubber very easily and left some smoke and a nasty smell afterwards. Next up is a hybrid composite unknown material. The needle struggled but could not cut through. The pliers did bend the material, but not too much. The butane torch was melting the material like a candle, which left a terrible smell afterwards. For the hybrid composite TPE, the screwdriver struggled but eventually went through, not as strong as the hybrid composite unknown. Same with the pliers. It was bending the material badly. The pocket knife wasn't strong enough to cut through, but it did leave some visible scratches. The scissors struggled at first to cut through the material, but it eventually did. The torch lit the material on fire and it was burning and melting like a candle. Which left a smell that was worse than the hybrid composite unknown. The generic brand. The generic brand was easy to cut through with a screwdriver. The pliers really had no effect on it. The pocket knife could cut through with ease, just as the scissors can. Basically, this material is easily rippable. It was easily the most flammable out of all of them, as it caught fire instantly. We even struggled to turn off the flames. Our Lasfit TPE. The screwdriver didn't go with ease, we actually had to force and push it in. The pliers were bending the material, but it had no long-term effect. The knife didn't cut through the surface or even when we stabbed it. The scissors did cut through, but there was more resistance as it didn't cut right away. The butane torch did not catch the floor liner on fire at first. We had to increase the flames, but it still barely did anything and left no smoke or smell afterwards, so not easily flammable. The plastic material is very easily damaged in the next categories in the screwdriver, knife, pliers, and scissors. The torch burned it really fast and affected the material really bad, as it was turning brown and leaving a surrounding area with it with smoke and a terrible smell.
All right.